Crewsaver 275N Lifejacket. A pre-fitted smart V100 in pouch, 25cm string and fixing kit. Firstly, open the jacket so the bladder is exposed as shown. Now remove the tape from the back of the fixing kit. Attach the V100 and pouch in the position as shown. Attach the fixing kit in the position as shown. Making sure the beacon is in the off position, remove the activation tab and securely tie it to the fixing kit. Now, click the activation tab back into position. Remove the switch lock, push the switch into the ready position and replace the switch lock. And finally, pack the jacket as you normally would.